wrong side of it. She's working. Side's that potato. Here. Come around here. Come around here. Okay. Put those in there. Got her head down.
You can't reach it, Grandpa.
There you go.
Did you
Boy,
want
that's a
bread?
big old squash there.
Yeah.
Whoa. You got another one in there? Look, here's a whole bunch of them over here. Is that all of them? That's all of them. Look here, here's some more. There's some more. You need to put some in this box right here. You can put some in this box. Up there. There you go. Oh, that's a baby one. Ooh, that's a big one.
Hi, Ava.